Let us find out values between minus 2 pi to 2 pi, minus 360 to 360. Here, cot minus 360 minus cot 360, 360 plus 0, cot 0, cot 0, cos 0 by sin 0, minus infinity. Then we will take minus cos 2, cot 270. It is minus cot 270. It is minus cot 270 plus 0, tan 0. 270 minus 0 or plus 0, it is tan 0. So you will get here minus 0, it is cot minus 180 minus cot 180. 180 minus 0 or 180 plus 0, it is 180 minus 0, it is negative. So you will get minus into minus plus cot 0, which is infinity. Similarly, cot minus 90 minus cot 90. Cot 90 is cos 90 by sin 90, 0. Cot 0, cot 0, it is infinity, plus infinity. Then cot plus 90, cos 0 by sin 0, right, infinity. Cot 90, once again, cos 90 by sin 90, 0. And then cos 180, cos 180 is 180 plus cot 180 is 180 plus 0, third quadrant. If it is less than 180, 180 minus 0 minus cot 0, minus infinity or plus infinity. Cot 270 is 270 minus 0, it is minus tan 0, 0. And finally, cot 360 degrees, it is 360 plus 0, cot 0, cos 0 by sin 0, infinity. Let me write the table for this. It is x is minus 360 minus 270 minus 180 minus 90, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Minus 360, it is Cot X value we will write. Right. So when we write, it is, when it is more than, it is plus infinity. This will be 0. This will be minus infinity. Then again plus infinity. Minus 180, it is less than minus 180, it is minus infinity. More than, it is plus infinity. Again, let us calculate like this. Cot of minus 180 degrees plus 0, or it is minus cot 180. Okay, minus cot 180 minus 0. 180 minus 0 means here it will become minus cot 180 minus 0 negative minus cot 0. This will become cot 0. So if it is more than 0, it will be plus infinity, less than 0, minus infinity. Like that you will get it. Similarly, you will get here 0. In this, minus 90, it is 0. 0, it is minus infinity or plus infinity. Here it may be plus infinity or minus infinity. So 3 pi by 2. And at minus pi, it is minus infinity. Then it is 0. It is minus infinity. Little more than this, or plus infinity. Similarly, at 0, it is minus infinity or plus infinity. Again 0, minus infinity or plus infinity. Like that it will go. Now, see the diagram. Here you have, if it is 2 pi, it is minus infinity. 3 pi by 2, it is 0. Less than minus pi, minus infinity. More than minus pi, plus infinity. So that's the difference in the graph. So it actually breaks at these values. 2 pi, minus pi, 0, pi, again 2 pi. So you observe that this graph is a decreases from top to bottom. So that's how you get this graph.